Hello, how are you doing? Let's learn today about Adobe Illustrator. I already opened it just to save time.
Right. And now let's go to a normal shape. So just anything you like. So basics just. So let's take a random shape. If you don't have the selection tool, you won't be able to edit anything. Uh, I'll tell you what it means. Look, if I didn't select the selection tool, so I cannot do anything to the shape. I'll just create more and more, which I don't want. I want to edit this shape. So what you should do, first select selection tool, go to it, and then select this, because if you don't, the Illustrator won't be able to know what you want to edit. It won't be able to know what you want to edit. So I selected, and now let me just take a random color. You can see it changes to red, because if I wouldn't have select this, I won't select it. Now you see what happens. If I want to, I cannot change it. So you can see I can't. So I need to select it again to change the color, for example. You can see the changes. So that's why you need to select whenever you want to edit anything in Illustrator. Now let me get to more editing, not just this, more. So we need to go to Effect and then Rasterize. Now Rasterize is just like I told you, it does more editing to the shape or whatever you like. So let's just click Rasterize, and now I want the default setting, so I'll just go OK. So now it's rasterized. So now let me just I want to select knife. Now, as you can see, I can do the this. I can do that. Now the reason is, if I don't go to from here to there, it won't be able to edit the knife things that I did. It won't be able to cut it, because I didn't go from there to there. I only went from there to there. I need to go from there to there. So as you can see, if I go from all the way to there, now it will able to cut it. But you need to double click the the thing you want to cut. So as you can see, now something happened. Now you see it's there. It's cut. But if we just you can see, doesn't happen. It's just a line. You can see. So that's why you need to go all the way to make the cut. So now let me just tell you something about gradient. Before that, you need to double click it to make this happen. Because if you don't, it won't do anything. Let me just show you. Uh, Now look, let me just single click it. Doesn't happen. But if I double click it, you can see, oh, it still happened. But I mean to say, just whatever you want to do, just you need to go to all the way to make the cut. So now let's go to the gradient. So a gradient is just just uh, kind of like shading, but in Illustrator, in digital, in the computer, not in the paper. So you can say multicolors, maybe you can say. So let me just select, because you need to select it to do anything. So now you can see it change it. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be this color. It can be orange, fading sky. I don't know what this is, or whatever it is. Uh, I wanted orange yellow. So now you can see here there are different type of sliders. meaning that this is also a type of an editing to the shape, to the color of the shape. And also here you can see radical, linear. You just saw this. You can see here something happening here. So whatever you like is it's design, it's graphic design. So you can see if I go there, there, you can see the changes happening. You can do whatever you want with the. It's I told you already. I mean, it's graphic design. You can do whatever you want. So we'll stop for today. If you like this kind of content and you want more, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.